as a b. Because 2 to the 4, 5 the 20a. I obtain the middle terms, so I keep here in this form 2 times 2a times 5. I need b square form, 5 square. 5 square is 25, but I have here 24 only. So I need to subtract 1. Other terms I will not change in any form. So after this step, whole this term is 2a minus 5 whole square. And now compare these three terms. In this case, take minus common. So 1 becomes plus and 6y becomes negative and 9y square becomes 9y square. If we arrange in this term, in another language we divide 24, we break 24 as 5 square and 1 according to our condition. So first case is 2a minus 5 whole square minus, this is also a perfect square number. If you don't know, 1 square minus 2 times 1 times 3y plus 3y whole square. And the next step, 2a minus 5 whole square minus all these terms is 1 minus 3y whole square. Now we can apply a square minus b square. So a square minus b square formula is a plus b, means 2a minus 5 plus 1 minus 3y. There is not any problem about plus sign, but in case of minus sign we need to insert bracket because the sign will change. So we can arrange this, 2a minus 3y minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4. First terms becomes this, and second terms 2a minus second factor is 5 plus minus minus 1 plus minus minus plus 3y equal 2a minus 3y minus 4, and the next one is 2a plus 3y minus 5 and minus 1 is minus 6. In this way we find the solution of such question. Let me repeat it again, dear students. In this case we have given this question. So first my target is to make the given terms in perfect square form. So to make perfect square form, first is perfect square term, first term only. So I have written 2a whole square, there is no doubt, minus we need 2ab form. That's why you can divide this, you can break this, you can factorize this into 2ab form. You have to factorize 20a into 2ab form in such a way that 2 times 2a is understood, we cannot change that form, 2 times 2a. Now calculate 2 to the 4a becomes, so as a b terms we need 5 because 5 times 2 times 2 times a makes 28. So as a b we have already fixed 5, so 5 square I have written. All this trinomial, these three terms makes a perfect square term, so that will be the 2a minus 5 whole square. That is our target, our objective, our plan. And now we cannot add or we cannot subtract any terms, we should make the terms equal. That's why 24, instead of 24 I have written here 25. Other terms just I break, expand or factorize, but instead of 24 I have written 25. So to make it equal I have to subtract 1. So 25 minus 1 also 24, 6y and 9y square remains the same. So what I have done? I have done nothing. For a square I have written 2a square minus 20a is a 2 into 2a into 5 and 24 is a 5 square minus 1. Other terms are as it is. So all these three terms makes a perfect form, 2a minus 5 whole square minus other terms I have taken minus sign, minus common here, 1 becomes plus, 6y becomes minus, and 9y becomes plus. So another target or our plan is to make the second term also perfect square, because we have to apply a square minus b square formula. So 1 minus 6a plus 9y square. If you know, you can write this step directly, but if you don't know, you can expand. I have expanded here because to make you clear, because this is the first question. So 1 is written as 1 square minus 6y is written as 2 times 1 times 3y. 1 is the first term a, and 3y is the second term, and 9y square is also a perfect square number, so that I have written 3y whole square. In the next case, I have copied the same. It is written 1 square minus 2 1 3y plus 3y square is 1 minus 3y whole square. So now we get the form of a square minus b square form. So 2a minus 5 plus 1 minus 3y. A square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. If there is two terms in the second case, so we need to insert bracket. If there is minus in the middle and more than two terms in the second part, so we need to insert bracket, or you need to think what is the product of sign. So minus 1 becomes minus plus minus 1 minus minus plus 3y. So it changes the sign. So now we have to simplify. 2a is 2a, 3y is minus 3y, minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4. Similarly 2a as it is, minus 5 and minus 1 from here, and plus 3y from here. So my plus 3y shifted here, minus 5 and minus 1 is minus 6, and here same repetition. So in this way we can solve this problem. If you have any question, you can put in chat box. Otherwise I will start the next problem. I have to start the next problem. Okay. Any question?
Yes,
You can break any terms according to the given condition. So there is no hard and fast rule, but you have to solve this. You have to solve that problem. You have to solve. What happened always? I think new whiteboard is best. Okay. Now another questions. Let me check. Another question is, dear students, don't worry about next question. I will solve. Yes, yes. Which one is the best question? Let me check. Yeah. Okay. 7 is can break. Okay. Now C number I will solve. 5C. 5C is, sorry, x square minus a square plus 4xy plus 2ab minus b square plus 4y square. So this is the genuine question. Another question, dear students. Let me solve this. First step is x square. Where is x term? 2ab? No. 4y square? No. And possible term is 4xy. So x square, I have taken 4xy terms. Then what we need? I need y terms. So I have arranged this as 4y square. Y demand a x square and 4xy term as a 2ab terms, we need 4xy. Then the demand is y term or y square form, or y square or b square form. That's why I have taken for y square, and remaining terms are minus a square plus 2ab minus b square. Now Here you can check x square plus, if you know you can write directly, but here I break because to make you familiar. 2 times x times 4y square is 2y plus 2y whole square. 2y whole square is 4y square. 2 to the 4 xy, x square itself x square. And minus, here I have taken minus common, a square minus 2ab plus b square. How interesting. No need to make any terms, just we can arrange. After arranging the terms we find this. So this is the perfect term, x plus 2y whole square minus a minus b whole square. So how interesting, a square minus b square, a plus b, just I put the bracket, is also not needed in case plus sign here, and x plus 2y minus a minus b. So x plus 2y plus a minus b, x plus 2y minus a plus b. This plus minus plus minus
Sir,
minus minus
Yes,
plus.
sir.
excuse
Okay,
me, sir.
first ab and xy also we
Sir,
can put, this
in
is
the
also okay
second
for
part,
this.
there was
So
a
in
square
this
plus
way
2ab
we
minus
can
b square.
solve
Then how
this
can we
problem.
change that into a square minus 2ab plus b square at
Any
once, sir?
question? Yes, yes please.
Then, then that also should have been minus, sir.
Yeah, I have taken here minus common, minus minus plus, plus minus 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 plus. If you multiply by this sign, if you open the bracket and it you get this term. Or simple sense, yes.
Okay, sir.
Here we need minus here. So I have taken. And another form, we cannot apply the formula directly. Minus a square plus 2 minus b square, we have not studied that. So we have to develop this form to apply the formula. Okay, thank you. Now moving to the next part, dear students. Question number, let me check the question. Interesting question. D number. 5D number. It's a 5D number. I think I can solve this number and remaining for you. Okay. P square minus 10xp plus 16 x square minus q square plus 6x cube. Show the term itself a demand pattern. So first I have written p square. So I need what? I need xp form. So 10xp is given and x square also here. Oh, so we can take this minus 2. A is a p I have taken and b is a 5x. Suppose I have taken 5 to the 10 xp. I obtain second term, first term and second term. Then b square I need 5x whole square. So 5x whole square is 25x square, but I have here only 16x square, so I need to subtract 9x square. Now the remaining term minus q square plus 6x cube. Just I break this in this form, 25x square minus 9x square, because first part demanded 5x square, and to make them equal I have subtracted 9x square. I have not done more than that part. So from these three terms you can write p minus 5x whole square. First one is perfect number. Now from second part, this is square number, this is square number, but this is not. So it will be into AB form. These two are in A square and B square form. So I have written 9x square minus 6x cube plus q square. Just I have interchanged the position. 9x square is here minus, so I have taken minus common, it becomes plus. It is positive, it becomes negative, and it is negative, it becomes positive. While taking common a negative sign common, then it will interchange the sign. Now it is my p minus 5x whole square minus, now I can write directly this is 3x minus q whole square, because I already explained about the breaking rule. Okay, so at this condition p minus 5x plus 3x minus q, I have solved this directly. P minus 5x, it will be minus 3x and q will be plus. I jump 2 steps here, and p minus q minus 2x, here p plus q minus 8x. In this way we can factorize this. Now the remaining questions for you. And who asks 5b hints? I think 5b number, just a minute, I will give hints within a minute. You can break a4 minus 2 times a square times 3 to the 6 a square plus 3 square we need, this plus 9, so we need to subtract minus 16 minus 8x minus x square. And first terms a square plus 3 whole square, all minus common, so I have written x square plus 8x plus 16, all
Okay,
positive
sir.
here. A square plus 3 whole square